Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked which of the following numbers is not a solution of the inequality 3x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 4x minus 3. So there's two ways you can go about doing this. Firstly, you can just plug in -1, -2, -3, and -5 into x in this equation, simplify, and you will get either a true statement or a false statement. So just to do one of those, for example, so we have 3x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 4x minus 3. If we were testing for -1, we would plug in 3 times -1, plugging in -1 for x, minus 5 is greater than or equal to 4 times -1 minus 3. So 3 times -1 is -3, minus 5, greater than or equal to 4 times -1 is -4, minus 3. We get -3 minus 5 is -8, is greater than or equal to -4 minus 7 is -7. So here we get the inequality -8 is greater than or equal to -7. So this is not true. So this means that which of the following numbers is not a solution? That means we actually just found it in one. If you want an example of what it would look like if it wasn't true, plug in -2. Again, same thing, except this time wherever we see an x, we're putting in a -2. So we get 3 times -2 is -6, minus 5 is greater than or equal to -4 minus 2 is -8 minus 3. So we get -6 minus 5, which is -11, is greater than or equal to -8 minus 3 is -11. -11 is greater than or equal to -11 because they are equal. So this is a solution to the inequality. So this is one way to solve it, but if you don't get it on the first try, like we did, it might take slower than the second method, which is just to solve this inequality. So we have 3x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 4x minus 3. If we add 5 to both sides, if we want to solve for x, we want to subtract, or we want to add 3 to both sides, because that will get these to cancel. And then we have 3x minus 5 plus 3 is -2 is greater than or equal to 4x. Subtracting 3x from both sides, and we get these canceling, we get -2 is greater than or equal to 4x minus 3x is just x. So this is x, and then flipping around the inequality, so we have x in terms of something. If x is less than or equal to -2. And then we look at these and we say, okay, -5 is less than or equal to -2. -3 is less than or equal to -2. -2 is less than or equal to -2, again, equals, you gotta remember that. And then -1 is not less than or equal to -2, it's greater than -2, so it's not a solution. Therefore, no matter which way you do it, you're gonna get A as your solution.